Alright guys, what is up? We're going to be going for Zapdos, and we're going to be doing a couple different ways. I'm going to show you how to get to him first off, and then we're going to go try to fight him. So if you don't have Fly yet, you just come over to where we're at right now. Let me go ahead and put him away. I can show you where we're at. If you don't have the Super Fly yet. There we go. We just go to our town map. We are right over here off Route 10, so you can get to it from Cerulean. Just literally go straight over Route 10. It's just past Rock Tunnel. So I'm going to show you how to get there. I'm going to take the trip, and then we're going to go in there and try to fight him. So first thing you need to do, if you have just a water skim, is just come along the water out to this side, and just keep going along the side. If you have Fly, you can just fly over there, but just go along right there. Boom. If you have Fly, you can just fly right over everything. But we're going to go in there. We're going to try to catch this guy. Now, I don't know exactly where he's at in this power plant, but we're going to go through it, and we're going to see if we can find him. I do want to catch you, but not right this second, because I'm trying to go fight Zapdos. Might as well just capture some of these guys and then on the way. Yeah, let's just capture a couple of these guys along the way. Maybe. We'll pick up a few things. This is where we're going to get a lot of electric type Pokemon as well. Now, I don't really have much to fight against with, so I'm pretty much going to be using electric types. So I'm hoping I can do it. My controller just does not want to throw. Let's bring in my second trainer. Because my controller does not want to throw properly. That was a bad throw, but it's alright. We get him. It's going to be a new Pokédex entry. Catapultorb. Awesome. Awesome. It's going to be a little maze getting through here, so just bear with me. We're going to have to go through a little maze, trying to figure out how to get to him. And once we get to him, obviously we'll battle him. I'm hoping there's not too many battles that I have to do along the way. I'll catch all this. I'll start catching a bunch of stuff later, but right now we just got to go through this maze and try to find Zapdos. You guys are going to come along. I'm not going to skip any of this because I want you guys, I think it's this way. If you guys haven't done this yet, I want you guys to be able to join me. I really hope I'm going the right way. This does not look too promising. It's just a giant hallway. Zapdos trainer. Oh, yep, right here. Oh, that was easy. Well, there he is. I'm gonna have to get some other stuff. Uh-oh. Upside down Pokeball. What is that? Oh no, what is it? Oh, it's a battle. It's a battle. 5 minutes to take him down. Hopefully I can take him down. Should be able to do it somewhat easily with a Pikachu. Especially, I was going to say, especially if you use a self-destruct, that'll make it a little bit easier. Good thing I think I have some potions and stuff before we go fight Zapdos, because he's not going to be that easy. He's not going to use self-destruct and blow himself up. That's a surprise. But I think after this, I think I got to catch him. Got him. That was actually pretty easy. Not too bad. He didn't really do any damage to me yet. Now we got to catch him. I'm going to bring in my support trainer for this because I do not... I want to try not to miss him. I don't know why it only threw one, but okay. Didn't throw him in sync, but... Hey, we got him! It's another Pokemon added to the dex. I'm just adding everything to the dex today. So I don't really have that good of a team to fight Zapdos, but we're going to go in and give it a shot. So let's go back over there and give it a shot. Alright, so we just clicked on him and here we go. Into battle with Zapdos. I don't know how easy or hard he's gonna be to beat, but I don't know. Figure it out, shall we? Ooh. Oh my goodness. That was bad. That was not good. That was definitely not good. Oh no. Yeah, that was definitely not good. I don't really have anything to hit him with that much. He's probably gonna take my guy out in one hit. Oh, that did a lot of damage. As long as that doesn't kill me, that actually might end it. Oh, that ended it. Oh, that could have ended a lot worse than it did. Now we gotta catch him, though. Let's see if I can catch him like I caught Moltres with just great balls. I got Moltres on the first ball. Nope, not on the first ball. I do not want to use my Master Balls. Do not want to use a Master Ball. I'm trying to save that for Mewtwo. And that one might take a while because I'm trying to get Shiny Mewtwo, so. Zapdos is not going to be easy. Moltres, man, that was a terrible duel. Moltres was easy. I caught him on the first ball like that. I did the 2 great balls for the sync bonus and nailed him the first one. But it looks like we're going to have to use some berries on him. So we're going to try to get some golden razzes in there. Ooh. Might have to switch over to my Ultra Balls if he's going to keep up like this. Mewtwo will be easy because I'll just chuck a Master Ball at him. Alright, one more try and then we'll switch over. If he pops out of this one, then we'll switch over to our Ultra Balls. Try to pick him up. Hopefully this will... come on. Come on, Zapdos. What are you doing to me? You just want me to switch to my Ultra Balls, don't you? We're gonna go Ultra Ball Golden Razz. Double Ultra Golden Razz. Ah, he attacked twice real quick. I was hoping to get the hit on him right when he finished his attack, but then he attacked again. Come on, Zapdos. Come on, man. Come on. Zapdos, come on, boy. What are you doing to me? I'm gonna spend like 3 hours trying to catch this thing. Oh, man. Come on. Seriously, Zapdos. What do you want me to do? Do you want me to use one of my Master Balls? Because I might have to use one of my Master Balls. I don't want to use my Master Balls. But with the way Zapdos is being, I might just have to switch over and use a Master Ball. I don't want to catch him with a Master Ball. Mewtwo's the only one I want to catch with a Master Ball, so that way I can just get him right away and go. Okay. I'm not fooling around. I'm not going to fool around anymore. Tired of this guy. We're just going to hit him with the Master Ball. Better catch him. Because... tired of this thing. Tired of this guy right here. There we go. I'm tired of him, man. Giving me problems, right? You're giving me some massive problems. But we got him in the deck. Finally got him. There we go. That's how you get Zapdos in Pokemon Let's Go.